In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make liquid glass in Framer. To get started, open Framer and head into your projects. From there, click on the page you want to work on so it opens in the editor. Once you're inside, click on the canvas area to make sure you're focused on the main workspace. This helps keep the next actions clear and makes it easier to bring the effect into the right place. Next, go up to Help and then choose Browse Marketplace. This is where Framer's community resources and reusable components live, and it's the fastest way to find visual effects like liquid glass without building everything from scratch. In the Marketplace search, type in liquid glass. That will bring up matching resources you can use in your project. After the results load, click on Pricing. If you prefer paid options, you can stay there and explore those, but for this walkthrough, we're narrowing the results down further. Click on Free so you only see components you can use at no cost. Once you find the liquid glass component you want, open it and click Copy Component. This copies the full component so you can bring it directly into your own Framer project. After that, go back to your project and click Paste. When you paste it in, place the component over any other frame or button where you want that liquid glass look to appear. This is what creates the effect visually, so take a moment to position it carefully. If needed, adjust its placement so it sits neatly over the element you want to enhance. And that's it. You've used Framer's Marketplace to quickly add a liquid glass effect to your design. This approach is great when you want a polished, modern look without spending extra time building the effect manually.